Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a quick thumbnail for your videos, just like these guys here. Okay, so you have your YouTube channel and you've taken a video of your latest trip to Hawaii, for example. So you're going to launch your video, and the first thing you want to do is find a frame that you like, that you think that looks good. So we scroll through our video till we get a nice graphic that we think we want. Perfect. All right, that looks pretty good. So then we take a screenshot of it. Now on my Mac, I have a product called Skitch. For Windows, there's a lot of products. Below this video, you'll see a list of screenshot creation tools. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, go back, and I'm just going to take a nice little shot like this, capture it, and I'm going to save it for now to my desktop. Okay, so far so good. Now we're going to launch the Web Graphics Creator, and you're going to want to pick a template like this one, for example. So we click it, and obviously there are elements we're not going to be using for our thumbnail, so we're going to delete it. We're going to come up here to the File menu and import the image that we took a screenshot of. And we want it to fit, so we are going to obviously resize it so that it looks nice. Position it on the screen correctly. And then we're going to go to the Options menu, and we're going to send it to the back and delete things we don't want, like this image. Okay, so now I like this transparent box. It's pretty nice looking. But maybe I want to fade it down just a little bit more. So I'm going to go over here to the Image Format button and fade it down just a tad. And now I'm going to change my text. So I double click and I'm going to type "my trip to Hawaii." And we're going to change the font to something a little bit more like I want. We can move the characters closer if we want to. And we're going to change the color to something a little bit brighter than the blue. Okay, cool. Now if we want to make this a little bit bigger, we can. And I don't need this text, but I like this up here. So let's change this really quick to something like, and let's put a little outline on it so it looks kind of cool. We'll make the outline the same kind of color. All right, that looks cool. Now I want something in the same font down here for a reason. So what I'm going to do is come up here to the Edit menu, and I'm going to duplicate this text. So it's the same size, the same font, the same style. Bring it down here, and actually I'm going to delete Summer, make this a little bit bigger, and delete 2017 from up here. Make this just a little bit bigger. All right, that looks like a pretty cool thumbnail image with part of my actual video as the background. Now, just to see what it would look like as a thumbnail, I'm going to come up here to Options, and I'm going to go to the Canvas option, and I'm going to shrink the canvas, scale it down a little bit to see what it would look like as a thumbnail. That would make a pretty nice looking thumbnail. Okay, I like it. Go back up to 100%. I'm going to download this entire image. Let's call it Hawaii thumbnail for now. And it downloads to my computer. And now we're going to go back to YouTube, and we're going to put that thumbnail onto our video, so it has a little image like this. In order to get to your video, we're going to go to our channel's homepage, click on Edit Layout, and up here we're going to click on Video Manager and find our video, which happens to be here, and we're going to click on Info and Settings. And right here I have default thumbnails. I don't like this, I want my own, so of course I'm going to go to this Custom Thumbnail button here, find the graphic I want, and there we go. And now I'm going to set this as the thumbnail. Oops, I didn't want to do that. It's already set. Okay, and then save the video. There you go. It's as easy as that. And now, the next time you view it on your channel or you embed it on your page, well, here, I'll show you what it looks like when we embed the video onto one of our pages. So to embed our video, we're going to actually click on the video. Whoops, it's too big. Make it smaller. And we're going to click down here on the share button, the share link. And down here it says embed. And we want to take this from, we can change the size if we want to. So we just copy it. I'm going to hit Command C on my Mac, Control C on Windows. Go to my website. So here I can edit the page. I happen to have WordPress, but you can embed this into an HTML website as well. I'm going to go up here to the text button so I can embed it. And let's do it right below this text. I'm going to hit paste. Let's change the title and save the page. And now when your visitors come to that particular page, they will see a beautiful video with a nice custom thumbnail graphic on it. Ta-da! Now go out and create tons of thumbnails. Hope you enjoyed this.